I have a Whirlpool W10417004 French Door refrigerator that we recently moved into our house after being used in our garage to store cold items. When I turned on the water, there is a leak coming from the inside ceiling just to the left of where the water filter goes. It has a new filter that is properly installed. Any guess as the source of the leak?
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Maybe 5 years.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That would be it.
Hello, my name is would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number? It will be on a white sticker on the inside of the fresh food section.
Is this it?
I will need the model number to diagnose it properly. It sounds like the fill tube to the filter housing is cracked.
Where do I find that?
It will be on a white sticker on the inside of the fresh food section.
W10417004.
No, that's the part number of the tag. Look on the ceiling, left side of the fresh food section.
WRF736-12.
Okay, thanks. Yes, with my experience on this model, the fill tube that goes into the filter housing is leaking, or the water valve that is leaking there is leaking. They are both located in the ceiling.
How do you take the ceiling out?
https://u2.b/steviewire5new. Copy and paste this link. This will help you.
Thanks.
You are welcome. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Customer. Hope you have a great evening. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. Thank you very much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.